The following is a no-holds-barred match. Making his way to the ring from Chicago, Illinois, weighing in at 285 pounds,
Hey, where's the horse? What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse?
The high horse this superstar always seems to be on. Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you? Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder, and he's going to use that anger against his opposition.
And here he comes.
and his opponent, representing the Ultimate Maniac from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 265 pounds, Goldberg.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form. He is in perhaps the best shape of his career, and he will need that with the competition level this high.
Match is underway, no holds barred, anything.
Check out this power, ladies and gentlemen. Up and
Jackhammer.
Can he take advantage of this?
2. No, he beats the count.
I don't know how he did it, but he's hanging in there.
Just how much pain is he willing to endure in this match?
Hey, it might be time for a change of strategy. His best move didn't get the job done. Okay, he's re-entering the ring. Corey, so many things can transpire in a matchup like this. What could be that elusive X factor?
It is mission critical to be adaptable. If it's anything goes, then use that to your advantage before your opponent.
Oh, it's coming! Oh, what a power slam!
Now that is an exclamation point.
I do not know how they got up from that.
Operating on pure instinct and adrenaline right now.
I can't tell if it's anger in the eyes or the fact that he hasn't. And the cover for the win! And he fights it off.
Almost inhuman at this point.
Oh, just turn that around. He's turning the tables. Oh, blackjack. Gosh,
Landing face first.
right to the face.
My God.
Saw that one coming, took advantage.
And proving a bit slippery for them there.
Oh, look out. It's on now.
Shifts it back onto him.
Hanging back with their own count.
It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here. WWE Universe appreciating these athletes going all out. back of the neck.
And again.
Enough.
That's just a beatdown. He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him. Time to end this.
Laying out with a power slam.
Is this what he needs for the win?
Shoulders down.
Oh, he was almost finished.
Unbelievable presence of mind.
I thought he was unconscious.
That was the home run shot that got robbed at the fence.
Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next.
Look out. Sidestepped out of the way.
Backbreaker.
Crucial turnaround there because he was falling behind.
Yeah, he's able to stop the bleeding, but will he also gain command?
Big shot block. That'll stop you in your tracks. Got it. Scouted. Kick to the midsection prevents the attack.
Fighting their way out the back door for the power slam. And what a reversal. Are you kidding me?
He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
And we know when he has a chair in hand, things get messy in a hurry. Face first into the chair.
He now just looks helpless to every attack.
Yeah, he's being faced with a lot of adversity right now. He avoids the damage. Shoulder tackle. Uh-oh, clearing off the announce table.
This is about to go from bad to worse.
This is not going to be pretty.
I don't want to see this happen.
Sharp elbow to the gut turns that one around.
Face buster. Look at him seizing the momentum here.
We are looking at an unyielding attack from him.
Incredible impact. And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
I don't know what his plans are with that table, but it's going to hurt. Steered clear of that. Off the barricade.
He takes control.
Stiff elbow will break that up.
And landing with the double axe handle.
Whip back into the ring.
And he said, you're not getting me with that this time.
This match's brutality starting to show on him.
Well, all things considered, Cole, it's not a bad condition to be. Check out this power, ladies and gentlemen. Up and
jackhammer.
Nobody hits that one better.
There's two. That'll do it. The victory tonight.
Here is your winner, Goldberg.
He definitely got the job done tonight.
This victory is exactly the kind of statement I knew he wanted to make here.
This was a message from him to the entire WWE Universe.